Well, the change in the law 2005 was advertised by the banking industry, who'd fought for it for 10 years, as a way to force so-called bankruptcy abusers into Chapter 13, which is a mandatory payment plan where you pay back all the court thinks you can afford to pay for 5 years. It's actually done very little of that. The percentage of people who go into Chapter 13 as opposed to Chapter 7, where you're just in and out, really hasn't changed under the new law. But the record keeping and what we have to do is vastly harder. So the real impact of the 2005 law is that the record keeping and the amount of effort we have to go through to track down all the details is a whole lot harder. And if you can't come up with everything we need, we're not going to be able to get your bankruptcy approved. So we really have to work together. The goal of the bank lobbyist was to make the paperwork so complicated that people who are frantic about their situation and are trying to cope with so many different pressures that people like you would just throw up your hands and give up. And my job is to work with you so closely and so clearly that you can't fail, that we get you through the system.